Hello friends and all YouTube viewers, welcome to my channel TechSpy. Today's video is going to be very interesting. The topic of this video is air conditioning. So let's get started. So before I will start today's topic on air conditioning, first of all, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, like and share it my video if you like it. YouTube viewers, your support and love will help me and motivates me to make new informative videos on different topics. So as you know, we are in middle of the summer season, and one thing everyone needs, that is a cool chilling environment during these summer days, whether it is in home or in the workplace. As you well aware, there are two types of product in air conditioning. One is window AC and that is split AC. And another one more thing came nowadays, that is inverter and non-inverter. From past few years we are looking at a new technology, that is inverter technology, and there is an upgradation in technology, that is a dual inverter technology. The LG India first time launched its window AC with dual inverter technology. So friend, this is our today's video topic. First time in India, window AC with dual inverter technology. It's a revolutionary step taken by the LG India to introduce dual inverter technology to window AC segment. It will be a game changer in window AC segment market. Now it's time to afford window AC with high-end dual inverter technology. Spend lesser on dual inverter window AC than split AC and save more on electricity bill. How's that? How cool is it, huh? We are spending less because we are not purchasing split AC. We are going for the dual inverter window AC, and at the same time saves our electricity bill. Less burden on our pocket. So let's talk about competitive edge of this product. The first advantage is most power efficient and fast cooling window AC than non-inverter window AC. Second advantage is one of the only window AC with dual inverter technology. Third advantage, modern design and easily fits to the window frame size. Advantage number 4, but not the least, 10 years compressor warranty with 5 years condenser warranty. How cool it is. There is no other AC manufacturer in India who provides 10-year warranty on compressor. Guys, 10 years warranty. It matters. It really shows how good it is. So friends, now we will talk about some key features of this LG dual inverter window AC. The feature 1 is dual inverter compressor. Feature number 2 is 100% copper with ocean black protection. There is a coating on the copper coils of the condenser which protects the tubes from corrosion and salt, hence increases its durability and cooling efficiency. Feature number 3 is top air discharge. The unique design of the LG dual inverter window AC is in such a manner that the air will discharge from the top and the air intake will be from sideways and from the bottom. Feature number 4. It is a unique feature first time given in any AC, that is the clean filter indication. You can see an LED light on the control panel of the AC that shows clean filter. Means after 250 hours of uses, it will lights up. It will glow up. It indicates that you have to clean your air filters. Feature number 5, low gas detection. So when the gas in the compressor will reduce to a significant amount, then it will prompt on the AC control panel as CH38 indication. Feature number 6, but not the least, stabilizer free operation. The voltage operation range of this AC is very wider. It works from 145 volt to 290 volt. A huge operation voltage range, so there is no need of external stabilizer. You can save around 2500 rupees. No need to buy any stabilizer. Now we talk about looks. How does it look like? The entire design, this new concept of the window AC. So its front look very nice, top look is also decent, side look wow, back look as usual every AC will have. So overall a complete new design. Next, talking about control panel. So in control panel you can see different modes of operation: cool, energy saver, fan and dry. You can set the timer off and on. Then you can see the clear filter indicator, sleep indicator, Wi-Fi indicator, timer indicator. You can set the sleep also from 1 to 7 hours. You can increase or decrease the fan speed from low to higher, and you can set the temperature. Minimum temperature you can set is 16 degree, and the maximum temperature you can set is 30-degree. Power switch as usual. So let's talk about its remote. Remote is just like any other standard remote. As you can see, there are 9 buttons on this remote. Don't underestimate this remote at all. It performs all the features and functions which a standard remote control has to perform. So let's talk in brief about this remote functions. As you can see that red power button on the remote, on side of it you can see the temperature increase and decrease button. Another, you can see the energy saver button. Same energy saver button, if you press and hold for the 3 seconds, it will turn on the auto cleaning mode. Then you can see the fan speed button. You can see the mood button. You can set the 4 moods: energy saver, dry, fan, cool mood. Timer you can set from 1 to 24 hours. With every single click it will increase 1 hour. Then you can see the sleep mode. Sleep mode will turn off the AC after a set period of time, and you can set this period from 1 hour to 7 hours. Then you can see the clear button. This clear button clear all the timer and sleep settings. If the same clear button, if you press it for around 5 seconds, it will activate self-diagnosis mode. Means if there is any error or fault in the AC, it will be displayed on the control panel. Another thing which I want to tell you, if you turn on the Wi-Fi mode, then you have to press mode and fan speed button simultaneously together. And if you want to switch off the Wi-Fi mode, then you have to press fan speed button and the power button together. Another thing which I want to tell you, if you want to switch off the control panel lights, then click the mode button for around 3 seconds, and if you want to light up it again, then again press it for around 3 seconds. That's all about this remote. One more thing also I want to tell you about this LG Dual Inverter Window AC, which are 5-star models. I'm only talking about 5-star model in my video. This comes with voice control command. If you have Alexa device or Google Assistant device in your home, you can control it through voice. And if you are using an Android phone or you are using an Apple phone, through Google Store or the Apple Store, you can download the LG ThinQ app and control it remotely. There are so many functions in that software. I will make a separate video on it. Friends, now I will tell you about how many variants come under 5-star model. There is a 1-ton variant, model number JWQ12WUZA, which is sufficient for a room size of 110 square feet. Another variant is 1.5 ton, model number JWQ18WUZA. It is sufficient for a room size of from 110 square feet to 150 square feet. Another variant is 2 ton, model number JWQ24WUZA. It is sufficient for a room size of 150 square feet to 200 square feet room. There is a one more new model launched in the market right now, that is 1-ton capacity. It is sufficient for 100 square feet room size. Model number is JWQ09WUZA. So friends, these are the 4 variants which comes under LG Dual Inverter Window AC 5-star model. As you can see on the screen, these models come with all these features: Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, dual inverter compressor, anti-corrosion, ocean black protection, inverter compressor with 10-year warranty, stabilizer free operation worth 2500 rupees. Eco-friendly gas. That refrigerator gas used in this AC is R32, which is ozone friendly gas. HD filter, 4-way swings, but it is not automatic, it is a manual. And lastly, LG ThinQ app, through which you can control it remotely. So now we will take an overview of this product, LG Dual Inverter Window AC 5-star. First and foremost unique feature of this model of window AC is dual inverter compressor. LG dual inverter compressor with varied speed. Dual rotatory motor has a wider rotational frequency which saves more energy along with higher speed and cooling range than conventional compressor. This ensures that our dual inverter AC cool faster, last longer and run quieter. A nice feature. Another feature of this product is 100% copper with ocean black protection. So there is a black coating, as you can see in the picture, on copper tubes of condenser, which helps in protecting it from corrosion, salt, pollution, sand, and increases its durability and cooling efficiency. Next, maximum cooling. So this window AC, which provides exceptional cooling power that will keep your family cool, comfortable, and within in your control. We talk about its super silent operation. As we know that conventional non-inverter ACs, their noise level, which we call decibels, is around 57 or above it. But this model of window AC, which LG provides, its noise level is only 44 dB. This guys only 44 decibels, which is quite minimal, which is very minimal in comparison to other window ACs available in the market. Another feature, LG ThinQ and voice control. As already I told you, through LG ThinQ app we can remotely control it. We can also use the voice control commands through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Another feature made to perfection. This model of window AC is completely a new design which perfects your window frame easily without minimal wear and tear in your household atmosphere. Last but not the least, easy installation and uses. It can easily be fitted in your window frame. Very easy, super easy. Hello friends, so now let's talk about specification of these four variants of LG Dual Inverter Window AC. First we talk about cooling watts. So 1 ton variant has 3200 watts, 1.5 ton 5000 watts, 2 ton 6200 watts, and the new model 2870 watts. Talking about its power input, 1050 watts, 1670 watts, 2190 watts, and 1050 watts. Talking about running current in amperes, 4.7, 7.3, 10.5, and 4.8. Talking about compressor, so all four variants comes with dual rotatory motor and works with R32 refrigerant gas. So next we talk about ISEER value. So 1 ton, 1.5 ton, 2 ton. These all three variants have the same rating, 3.5. The new model, that 1 ton, having rating of 3.3. Next, noise level. So all four variants having the same noise level, 44 decibels. Next, dual inverter, Wi-Fi, and 100% copper. So all the four variants having these features. Next, ocean black protection, low gas detection, stabilizer free operation. All these three features are embedded into all these four variants. Next, talk about dimension. So 1 ton model is 66 centimeter into 34 centimeter into 73.1 centimeter. Talking about 1.5 ton, 66 centimeter into 45 centimeter into 77.9 centimeter. Talking about 2 ton, 66 centimeter, 45 centimeter, and 77.9 centimeter. Talking about the new model, 49.7 centimeter, 31.7 centimeter, and 62.3 centimeter. Next we talk about the weight of the product. So 1 ton variant is 40 kg, 1.5 ton is 50 kg, 2 ton is also 50 kg, and the new variant 1 ton is 27 kg. So friends, next we talk about price range of these four variants. Price will be different in local market and e-commerce site, but will be within the given price range. So the basic variant 1 ton JWQ12WUZA will come in the market around 27 to 28,000. Next, 1.5 ton variant JWQ18WUZA will comes around 33,000 to 35,000. Next, 2 ton variant JWQ4WUZA will come around 42 to 44,000. Last, new model JWQ09WUZA, its maximum retail price given on the official site of LG India is 33,990. Friends, if you are interested in buying LG Dual Inverter Window AC, I had already given the buying link in the description given below. Click it and you will be redirected to the official site where you can purchase as per your wish. Next we talk about product warranty and services. 10-year warranty on compressor, free refill of R32 refrigerant gas, 5-year warranty on condenser, 1-year comprehensive product warranty including 2 free services. Now from where you can purchase this product. So there are many options available. The first is authorized LG dealers nearby you. Next, you can go to any e-commerce site. Most famous are Amazon and Flipkart. Another option you can go to the Chroma store or Vijay Sales store. They have their official site also. You can order the product from there also. Next most interesting thing which I want to tell you, if you purchase the LG products from authorized LG dealer, you will get the following benefits. Number one, free COVID-19 insurance, free theft insurance, and free gift vouchers. Amazing. Lastly, if you ask for my professional opinion or recommendation on this product, I will say you must buy it product. This is an amazing product. LG Dual Inverter Window AC with 5-star rating is the excellent AC in the window AC segment. Spend a little more than non-inverter window AC and bring home state-of-the-art dual inverter technology. Faster cooling, less noise, and most economical in terms of saving energy. So friends, that's all about LG Dual Inverter Window AC. If you like my video, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please hit the red bell icon button so you will get all notification of my latest and upcoming videos. Thank you friends.